Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about basics of bash scripting. Before that, I am making lot of videos related to cloud and DevOps. I hope these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today's topic. What is bash scripting? Bash scripting is a command line interface for automating your task. Who can learn this? Basically, you can learn if you are into system administrator, DevOps engineer, and anyone who is working with Linux. They must learn with the bash scripting. Let's see the today topic. In today, I am going to teach about basics and fundamental for the bash scripting with simple things you can easily understand from the starting. Let's see. I'm going to create a file called touch myscript.sh. So once I created this script, I'm going to check this permission for this script. You can see here we have read, write, and the for the read permission only we have it. So we have to make it for the execution permission for the current user. If you are into root user, you have to change it to here 431, then it will be 7. Then here if you are into next any second user, you can go and modify with this. And if you are into group permission, you want to change it, you can do here. Here I am going to change for the main for the root user. As I created this file as a root user, I'm going to do this. So here I'm going to give the for the chmod plus x means it is going to give the executing permission. Then I'm giving the my file name. Once I give it, again I'm checking the permission. You can see it, read, write, execute. Now I have added the permission, so it is turned into the green. Now I'm entering into this script with the vi editor. Now I'm into insert mode, pressing I. You can start with the bash. How you can do this? You have to start with ash, then exclamatory slash bin slash bash. Like this you have to start. I'm going to give a simple comment which is echo. So echo, which is nothing but it is going to show whatever you type. Simply I'm giving echo, and then I will type like a hello world exclamatory, then closing this quotation. Then I am saving this file wq exclamatory. Now we can see with this cat command, you can see here I have these two lines. I'm going to execute this bash script. How we can execute this script? By giving dot. If you are into current path, you can give dot, then slash, then the file name, then give enter. It will show you the execution. So here we are executing, that's why we have added here executing permission for this. If you have not added, you will get the permission denied. So I already added, that's why I'm not getting here. So like this you can execute the bash script. This is the simple thing which I have executed right now. I hope you understand how you can execute and what you can do better. So next we are going to see in the bash script with some variables. How you can give some variables with this bash script. I am entering into this bash script file again. You should always add .sh, that will be considered as the script file. If you are giving something called a txt dot yaml, those will not able to execute. You always end up with dot sh extension, which is something called your script file. So that only you can able to execute here. Now I'm entering into the file again. I simply comes into here, and then what I'm giving, I'm going to give some variable key, and then I'm going to give some value. Here I'm giving key as a name, and I'm giving some value as a Venkat. Now this name is the here the name is the variable. Okay, so this variable I'm going to add here with some with the dollar symbol, so it will be considered as a variable. Now here I used the variable. This is the variable. So you can change whatever name. You can change some other names like a Shakti, Rohit, whatever. Okay, and this will be reflect on dollar name. So I am just saving this file again. Now again I'm going to execute this file with dot myscript. You can see here hello Venkat. This like you can use this as the variable. I defined the variable here and simply I'm giving executing this file. By the way, it is saying like hello Venkat. So like that you can use the variable inside your bash script. I hope you got cleared. Next, we are going to see about something called with the variable itself, but we are going to get some condition here. So here I have another files. You can see here I have user input variable dot sketch. I am showing with this as a user input variable. This is the file which I have. You can see here. So here I started with hash exclamatory slash bin slash mess. It is mandatory, and I'm giving echo what is your name. Then I have asked this file to read the name, whatever the name which you are entering. It will be going to read. So once it is read, then the echo will be show your name. Here we are getting the input and it's going to display like that. We are defining this variable here. Here I already added the execution permission. You can see it read, write, execute. Now I simply going to execute this file. It is asking the input. I'm giving as a Venkatesh Dhanapal Raj. I'm giving my full name. Now it is saying hello Venkatesh Dhanapal Raj. Now again I'm executing this file. I am giving something name called Shakti, then it will say hello Shakti. Again, I'm executing this file. I'm giving Ravi, so it is saying Ravi, hello Ravi. So like this, you can give the input and get it to be displayed by this way. You can use it as a something taking user input and then you are getting the output with the echo command. Like that, you can use it. Next we are going to see about how we can use with some conditions. Here you can see I have the one more file called condition.sh. Let's do cat command. Here you can see that this is my file, and let's see with the va editor, va.condition.sh. So this is my bash script command. I'm going to explain you. We need to start with hash exclamatory, then we are giving echo command. Enter a number. We are just asking the number and read the number. Once we give some input, then it will ask you the out. Then we'll ask you the sorry, once we give the input it will read it. So we are giving some condition, if else condition. You can see that if the number is greater than 10, then it will going to display the number is greater than 10, else it will simply display the number is not equal to greater than 10. So and fi is going, what it means, it is a backward of if. It's simply closing your script. Okay, so that's why we are putting fi. Now I already added the permission for this. Now I am going to execute this one. So I am giving the number as 78. So it says like this number is greater than 10. Now again I'm giving condition. I'm executing. So now I'm giving simply 7. So it says the number is less than or equal to 10. Sorry, I have to modify the script. So you can see here condition, the number is less than or, yeah, it's right. So it's less than or equal to 10. So let's execute it again. Now I'm executing this file again. I'm giving 10. So it says the number is less than or equal to, it is equal or less than from the 10. Again I'm giving something like 99. So the number is greater than 10. So like that you can execute this entire script. I hope this video is helpful. This is just a fundamental and basic. You can understand how the bash script will work, how you can create some simple script here. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. And thanks for watching.